play Jinse Dao Dragon. I got $100 in here, and I think I'm gonna do $250 on Penny Denom. This is one of my nemesis games. I'm hoping to take it off of my nemesis list. Sometimes they do stuff, but I guess this one doesn't. Love to get a feature. Something. Let's switch denoms. Oh, that was 20 bucks. Let's go to 2 cents and bet $30 a spin. Oh, nice. Ever just got the mini betting dimes on Lightning Link. Come on, bonus. That was horrible, guys. This is why this is my nemesis game. Doing 250 spins on nickel denom now. Come on, free games. Oh, I got it! Yay! I got the yin yangs. I got the yin yangs. All right, let's get something amazing. I want to play, so. $15. I would have taken the mega for 20,000. I won 7 free games. It says good luck. Come on, big numbers, big numbers. Oh. Come on, big numbers. Progressives, please. It like expanded and it gave me nothing. Come on, come on. Oh. Come on, progressives. Last chance. Oh. 25, I think. Yeah, 25 bucks. Man, this is tough. Such a tough machine for me. right there. All right, so what I'm gonna do for the rest of the $48.50 is go back down to pennies, max bet $5. Oh, nice. 10, 20, 30, 60, 70, 80, $95. You know what that means, guys? That means that I am going to take my money and leave. Okay, guys. So this machine opened up. Happy Lantern. Haven't played it in a while. Just got the bonus. Look at it. I don't think I've ever gotten that many up front. But hopefully we can fill it up here. Start with $100 in here. Land it. Come on, Happy Lantern. We want to be very happy with our lanterns. Land it. Oh. Land? No. Alright, we got a $25 one in there. Alright, $75. Just gonna play this to my 100. That'll be a good run on it. Got the mini, $100. Stay with us. Land it. There we go. 3 more to fill up. Oh. Come on, fill it up. There we go. Land it. Land it. Land it. Land it. Still got that mini. Not a bad bonus at all. Alright, that takes us to $298. We'll play this to $250. See if we can get one to hit one more time. Lion, yes! There we go. We like our luck. I always pick the yellow one. I feel like he's probably the best. Come on. 6 with 200. Alright. We got the kitty cats all the way across. We will take that. All right, 87 bucks already. Oh, come on, we need, fill the middle row, middle row. Middle row, middle row, middle row. Come on, last one, make it good. Nope. All right, we'll play this to 350. Hopefully it'll stay hot for us. Come on, middle row. Oh my gosh. Don't die out on us. You know, I'm gonna play it to 325. And then no less. Hopefully we can get it to 4, that would be amazing. You know what, we'll do, I sound like, I keep on changing. We'll do 300. That'll be good. Then we'll know it's not going to hit again. 3 or 4. 3 or 4. Come on. Ah, got blocked. A couple more spins here, guys. All right, so we had 100 bucks in, cashing out at 301.70 on Lightning Link. Happy